night, everyone.
It's time to go over to SOA at the Weather Center for the latest forecast.
Hi, Sean. As predicted since last week, Typhoon Balawan is now dangerously close to us, causing already heavy rain and very strong winds.
Right, we've been told to take all necessary precautions, but do you have any good tips about how to keep us safe from possible damages?
Well, yes, Sean, I've got one, and it's not just helpful, but also very easy. Sticking wet newspapers on windows can prevent them from breaking in those strong winds.
Right, this sounds very simple, and had no idea that that would actually work. I think I might do that when I get home. But so I heard that we're expecting around 100 millimeters in Seoul, 200 at most, which is a lot, but didn't we already see similar amounts recently?
Yes, Sean, you're right, we have. But, it's not the amount of rain that's the worst part of this typhoon. It's the strong winds that could blow at rates of up to 40 meters a second at times, even up to 50 meters down in the southern part of the peninsula. So if possible, please try to stay indoors. And if you have to head out, stay away from trees, poles, or street signs that have the potential of getting blown away. Now, for a closer look at the regional forecast, the capital Seoul expects as many as 200 millimeters of precipitation. The southwest regions, including Gwangju, up to 300, and temperatures should reach the high 20s in overall. Now, Jeju Island will rise to 30 despite of the 300 millimeters of rain and up to 500 millimeters near the mountainous areas, so please be careful. And now let's shift our focus to the international weather. And focusing on Typhoon Balawan once again, that's not only going to affect South Korea, but also North Korea in the following days. Northeastern China and Western Japan can also expect some fair amount of precipitation. Meanwhile, Typhoon Tenbin, that had been stopped from proceeding towards China due to Balawan, is now seeming to make a second landfall in Taiwan. Down under, expect some light rain in Perth with highs below the 20s, while Sydney and Melbourne can see more sunshine. A few morning showers are in the picture for Wellington. Into North America, moderate temperatures for Vancouver, warmer in Montreal, but with occasional rain showers. New York has those in store too, also with a chance of a thunderstorm in the morning. Now be aware of tropical storm Isaac around Florida that could hit shore soon in a form as a hurricane. And further south, morning rain will visit Rio de Janeiro and Sao Paulo, but later on you'll see a fair amount of sunshine. Santiago will be pretty warm, rising to the mid-20s, but skies are going to be on the gray side. It'll be a wet day for some Europeans. Moscow and London have light rain in the forecast, while Paris and Berlin will just be partly cloudy. A relief for people down south with milder readings than last week, with Rome making it to 31, Madrid to 33. Finally, in Africa, water drop in temperatures in Cairo, which should only rise to the mid-20s this Tuesday. Apart from cloudy skies, that is, the car should be dry, while thunderstorms visit the capital of Ethiopia. And that completes the weather forecast for now.
That's Late Night Edition at this hour. I'm Sean Lim. Thanks for watching.